Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone relying on their Panduit LS3EA, LS3E, LS3EBP, or LS3 label printer, the Digipartspower AC-DC adapter. This isn't just any power supply. It's designed specifically to keep those crucial label printers running smoothly and safely. One of the first things that stands out about this Digipartspower adapter is its robust set of safety features. It comes equipped with OTP, which stands for over temperature protection, meaning it's built to prevent overheating and keep both the adapter and your printer safe. Then there's OVP, or over voltage protection, safeguarding your valuable equipment from power surges that can cause irreparable damage. Short circuit protection, or SCP, is also integrated, offering peace of mind against electrical faults. And finally, OCP, overcurrent protection, ensures that the power drawn by your device stays within safe limits, preventing any potential overload. These aren't just acronyms. They represent a commitment to protecting your investment and ensuring reliable operation. The manufacturer emphasizes that this adapter is crafted from high-quality materials and rigorously tested to guarantee both safety and durability. This attention to detail means users can choose this power solution without any worry, confident that they are getting a product built to last. It's reassuring to know that the components powering your essential tools are of the highest standard. Beyond its internal safeguards, the Digipartspower adapter is also incredibly practical for everyday use. Weighing in at a mere 4 ounces and sporting a sleek black finish, its compact design makes it exceptionally easy to carry outside. Whether someone is moving between job sites, working in different areas of a warehouse, or simply tidying up their workspace, its small size ensures high-quality performance without adding bulk. The low consumption aspect further enhances its appeal, making it an ideal companion for both on-the-go professionals and those using their label printer primarily at home. Now, a few important notes to ensure the longevity and optimal performance of this adapter. While it's built tough, it's always wise to prevent it from falling from heights during use. Similarly, avoiding throwing, knocking, or shaking the charger will help preserve its internal components. Extreme high and low temperatures can shorten the life of any electronic equipment, so it's recommended to use this adapter indoors. And to prevent any damage, it's crucial not to run it overloaded. Following these simple guidelines will help ensure that this Digipartspower adapter continues to power your Panduit label printer reliably for a long time. It truly offers a dependable and secure power solution for your labeling needs.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.